Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. Mrs. Hanson here to do today's phonics lesson. It is lesson 142, page 283 to 284. So go ahead and grab it and let's get started.
All right, so we are learning about adverbs this week. And just a reminder, we learned this yesterday, but an adverb is a word that describes a verb. So remember last week we learned adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns. Adverbs describe verbs. An adverb tells how the action of the verb is done. So, for example, William stopped. How did he stop? He stopped suddenly. Or you could say, suddenly William stopped. Suddenly is an adverb because it describes how he stopped. So let's take this information and practice it down here. Number 1 says, read the sentences, look at the verb, and circle the adverb that tells how the verb was done. Draw a small arrow from the adverb to the verb. Okay, so we need to do a couple different things here. First, we're going to read it. The verb is underlined for us already, so we need to identify what the adjective is and then draw an adjective from the adverb to the verb. The first one says, our new puppy eats sloppily. How does the puppy eat? Sloppily. So we're going to circle sloppily. And sloppily describes how the dog, or the puppy, eats. So draw an arrow from sloppily to eats. Dad painted our new clubhouse beautifully. How did he paint it? How did he paint it? He painted it beautifully. Remember, adverbs normally end in ly. So if you're unsure, look at that ly word and figure out if it's an adverb. And beautifully describes how he painted. Karen answered Mom truthfully. How did Karen answer? She answered truthfully. So truthfully describes how she answered. Quickly, the firefighter put out the fire. How did he put it out? Did he slowly put it out? No, he quickly put it out. So quickly describes how he put out the fire. Look at the yellow box here with the claw. Many adverbs end in the suffix ly. If a root word ends in y, change the y to I before adding ly. So number 2 says, add ly to the root words to make adverbs. So happy plus ly should be happily. So we need to drop this y, change it to an I, and then add our suffix. So happily should be spelled H-A-P-P-I-L-Y, happily. Easy plus ly is easily, so we drop the y, change it to an I, and add ly. Messy plus ly is messily, weird word there. So we drop the y, add an I, and put your ly. And then slow plus ly is slowly. Slow doesn't end in a y, so we're just going to add on our suffix. So slowly. Number 3, think about the question how and write an adverb for each of the verbs. So if you have the verb eat, think of an adverb that goes with how you can eat. Eat messily, right? Eat quickly, eat slowly. So anything that matches with eat. I'm going to put slowly. Snore. How does someone snore? Normally they snore loudly, right? Or you could put quietly if you think somebody just lightly snores. All right, the dictation at the bottom, you're going to write the full sentence. Mom made yummy cherry jelly. 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 Write it out for you. Mom made yummy cherry jelly. Okay, so check to make sure that you wrote that correctly. And then what I want you to do is go back and find two adjectives in this sentence. Remember, adjectives describe nouns. So let's find mom is a noun, right? Because that's a person. Are there any words that describe mom? No. So let's find another noun in the sentence. Well, jelly is a noun. Is there a word that describes jelly? Yeah, there's two. It's yummy jelly and it's cherry jelly. So we're going to circle both of these words because these are both adjectives. They both describe what the jelly is like. All right, go ahead and flip it to the back so that I can go over the instructions with you. You're going to read the sentence, write the antonym, so the word that means the opposite for the underlined word in the blanks. So my family is camping low. So the opposite of low would be high. So you're taking this word and writing an antonym. That means the opposite. Number 2 says, unscramble each kind of sentence and write it on the line. The first of each sentence has a capital letter. So they give you a hint here. And then remember to put your punctuation. So the first word should be the one that has the capital letter. So in the first sentence, pebbles through Rick Lake in the. And this is a declarative sentence. So my first word is Rick because it has a capital letter. So we've used that one. Rick, what? What could go next? Maybe threw. And what did he throw? Pebbles. And I have lake in the. In the lake. And it's a declarative sentence. So declarative sentences end with a period. So you're going to complete those for the rest, okay? Interrogative is question, exclamatory. Remember, it exclaims. It's an exclamation point. And imperative is a demand, like, go get that, right? All right, guys, have a wonderful Wednesday. I'll chat with you later. Bye.